What's poppin', y'all? Your girlfriend wants to see me, your boyfriend wants to be me, it's your boy Straight Boy, and I'm back with another video. Like the title says, we got a lot of work done with this. So we first started with removing everything out of the bay, cut off some brackets, we deleted the battery tray, then we went on to sandblasting, prepping everything, sanding, bondo, then we went to sanding the bondo, to the primer. After we got the primer laid, then we went ahead and started on our first layers of paint. I think we did about 5 coats of paint, and then we did 3 coats. I think it was like 3 to 4 coats of clear in the engine bay. It was our first time doing anything, me and cousin. Shout out to Hunter, I appreciate your help. The paint could have been better. I'm gonna quit talking, enjoy this little, update of what's been going on with the Z. Drunk.
Just make sure you keep resisting.
And that's basically it, guys. So, you know, just quick little update. Nothing too crazy, but we had a lot of progress done with the bay. So, like I always say, if you're new, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Do yourself a favor, turn on the notification bell. I'm gonna start posting a lot more now that we got some more momentum with the build. And yeah, I got some big plans for this thing. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, you know, But yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.
I'm cheesing, I'm high, I'm popping, you not, I'm perfect, I'm wise.